The Karolin Pipe Bridge is a crucial element of Poznań city infrastructure. It is a single-span suspension bridge constructed in 1972-1973. It carries 4 critical district heating pipelines, ensuring the supply of the heat to significant parts of the city. The bridge underwent a major rehabilitation in 2003, including the replacement of load-bearing cables. However, a recent inspection revealed to Veolia, the owner of the bridge, the need for further refurbishment, including the renovation of concrete surfaces, the renewal of anti-corrosion protection for the steel structure, and most importantly, the replacement of deteriorated hanger collars. The Karolin Pipe Bridge refurbishment was a challenging project due to the tight deadlines. We had to complete the entire project, including repainting the steel structure, repairing the concrete abutments, and replacing the hanger collars within just 3 months. This was crucial as the bridge carries vital district heating pipelines, and we needed to ensure they were back in service before the start of the heating season. Another challenge was finding a suitable technical solution for replacing the hanger collars. The existing clamps were severely deteriorated, particularly the spacer inserts. Thanks to the support of our colleagues at Technical Center, we were able to develop an effective alternative design, including new clamps and spacers. This innovative solution ensures the long-term durability and safety of the bridge. The success of this project can be attributed to several factors. Firstly, the dedication and hard work of the entire production team were essential. Secondly, the collaborative approach and support from our colleagues in Switzerland were invaluable in overcoming the challenges we faced. Finally, effective planning, meticulous execution, and a strong focus on safety were crucial in ensuring we met the tight deadlines. We implemented a comprehensive safety plan that included regular safety inspections, specialized training for all personnel, and the use of appropriate safety equipment. I strongly believe that Veolia selected VSL Poland due to our demonstrated expertise in specialized bridge repair and construction, as well as due to our technical capabilities, particularly in areas like steel structure repair, concrete rehabilitation, post-tensioning solutions, but also because of our strong commitment to safety and quality. We successfully met our clients' expectations by completing the project on time and within budget, while minimizing disruption to Veolia's operations. We exceeded their expectations with proactive communication and effective problem solving. This explains why this project marks a next significant milestone for VSL Poland. It was our second project as a main contractor, and I'm confident that it has demonstrated our capabilities in delivering complex repair projects within demanding timelines. This success has strengthened our position in the industrial market and has opened doors for future collaborations with key accounts like Veolia on a global scale. Moreover, the project provided valuable experience in managing all aspects of a major construction project, from planning and design to execution and client management. We also gained experience in collaborating with international teams and leveraging the expertise of our global VSL network. I believe these learnings will be invaluable for future projects as a part of repair and preservation development in Poland.